In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indent in Smartsheet. Whether you're organizing a complex project or simply creating a structured to-do list, indenting is a powerful tool to structure your information effectively. Let's dive into the steps. To start, you need to select the row that you want to indent. Head over to the specific task or item and click on the row number. Clicking here will highlight the entire row, making it easy to see exactly what you're working with. This is a straightforward way to ensure you're targeting the right row before you proceed with any adjustments. Once you've selected your row, you'll want to go ahead and indent it. Indenting a row in Smartsheet is like nesting it under the row above, establishing a handy parent-child relationship that can help in organizing your data hierarchically. Now, there are a couple of simple ways to do this. If you're a fan of using toolbars, just look toward the top of your sheet. You'll see an indent button, which looks like a right-facing arrow. Give it a click, and you'll see the immediate change in your row's level. But if you're someone who enjoys the speed of keyboard shortcuts, Smartsheet has got you covered there too. For Windows users, you can press Control along with the right bracket, also known as the square bracket, like this, Control and H. For those of you on a Mac, the process is equally easy. Just hold down Command and press the right bracket, which is Command and T. Either of these shortcuts will instantly indent your row, and you'll immediately notice how it becomes visually nested under the row above. Now, what if you've indented a row and then decide you want it back at the top level? Maybe you realize it shouldn't be nested after all. Don't worry. Smartsheet makes it just as simple to outdent a row as it does to indent it. In the toolbar, you'll find the Outdent button, which is represented by a left-facing arrow. Clicking on this will remove the child relationship and elevate the row back to a top-level item. And of course, if you're more comfortable with keyboard shortcuts, you have options here as well. For Windows users, hitting Control along with the left bracket, which looks like Control and, will do the job. If you're using a Mac, just press Command and the left bracket, Command and, to achieve the same result. This seamless movement between indenting and outdenting in Smartsheet allows for flexible structuring of your data. That's it. You're all set to organize your sheets efficiently using the indent and outdent functions. By mastering these steps, you'll enhance not only the appearance of your sheets, but also their functionality. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips on using Smartsheet effectively.